Hey there, Global Insight students. This is an announcement to let you know that we are having our first quiz on Friday. Now, even though that's going to be an all virtual day, you are expected to go into Canvas and take this quiz. And then, of course, there's going to be some other things that you need to do after the quiz. The quiz isn't going to take all 55 of your class minutes. It'll take about 15 minutes, okay? There is going to be a timer, so you need to be properly prepared and ready for this quiz when you take it. Otherwise, you're not going to finish, and I can't go back and let you retake it, okay? So be properly prepared. Well, what do you need to do to prepare for the quiz? You need to study your outline notes, sections, which is a Roman numeral. When I say sections, I mean Roman numerals, 1, 2, and 3, okay? So you're studying the highlighted information. Remember, if you've been keeping up with the reviews, we've been highlighting the most important material that you're supposed to study for a quiz and test. So section 1, 2, and 3 will be covered on Friday's quiz. So make sure you're preparing a little bit each day. Now, if you are in my 4th or 7th period honors class, you have a little bit extra you need to do to prepare for the quiz, because there's a couple of different things about the quiz for the honor students. For you, you need to make sure, and you can see my screen here, that you can access this chapter, chapter 3, and be able to read section 1 only of chapter 3, okay? When you pull this up, you'll see how it's divided into sections. So make sure you read chapter 3, section 1. I would pay attention to anything that's not in our notes. That's kind of a big red flag for you, and you will be properly prepared for the quiz. So again, my honor students, you're studying the outline sections 1, 2, and 3, and you're reading chapter 3, section 1. Those of you in 5th and 6th hour, you're just studying sections 1, 2, and 3 of your outline notes, okay? If you have any questions about what you're supposed to be studying, make sure you send me a message, okay? And y'all, don't message me Thursday night asking. That's too late, okay? So start studying early. All you have to do is look at your notes a little bit each day, 10 or 20 minutes, and then make sure you read and you're understanding those notes, okay? But if you do have questions, please let me know.